Chapter 2. Articles. Let's learn articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. They point out people, places, animals, and things. They belong to a group of words called determiners. Let's learn indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used when we do not refer to any specific noun. They are generally used with countable nouns. Uses of a and an. A is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a table, a coat, a book, a lamp, etc. An is used before singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an apricot, an orange, an apple, etc. Indefinite articles are used to identify a person or a thing in a group. For example, Abhinandan Varthaman is a fighter pilot. We were looking for a blue hat among all the hats in the shop. They are used to say what someone is or the job they do. For example, my father is an executive of that company. Shweta is a student. They are used with a singular noun to say something about all things of that kind. For example, a child needs love and affection. A snake should be handled cautiously. They are used in certain exclamatory expressions. For example, what a nice portrait. What a pity. Let's learn definite article. The is a definite article. It is used before a noun to refer to a specific thing. Use of the. The is used before singular, plural, countable, and uncountable nouns. For example, the temples of Khajuraho, the Bay of Bengal, the President of India. The is used before superlatives because it refers to a specific noun. For example, the longest platform, the highest peak, the most ancient cave. The is used to refer to something that has already been spoken of. For example, a young man was appointed as the head of the police department. The man will be joining from the 1st of next month. A brand new cycle was found in the park. The cycle is red in color. The is used before words such as first, last, next, and only. For example, Laika was the first dog to go to space. He was the last person to leave the class. She was the only girl who won 2 prizes. The is used with some adjectives to make the groups of people. For example, the king gave alms to the poor, the hungry, and the homeless. All the people who were poor, all the people who were hungry, and all the people who did not have a house to live in. Life can be very hard for the unemployed. Life can be hard for all the people who are unemployed. They is used with countries whose names include words such as republic, kingdom or states, countries that have plural names. For example, the Republic of India, the United States of America, the British Isles. They is used with family names. For example, the Sharmas, the Yadavs. They is not used with proper nouns. For example, Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. India is an Asian country. The is also used with famous buildings. For example, the India Gate, the Red Fort. Remember, whenever any kind of noun is particularized, we use the definite article the before it. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is often called the Bradman of Indian cricket.